guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I got new glasses. I haven't worn glasses in such a long time that I almost feel like I'm going cross-eyed trying to see out of them. But yeah, new glasses. So ah, hopefully it isn't too distracting. Well, today I got a package from Fatquartershop, and I can't wait to get into it. This is one of those things that I had to order to finish up a project. In fact, the project is almost complete. I just needed binding for it. And I looked all through my fabric and I just couldn't find anything that I felt worked for binding. So I had to place an order. I also needed more of this red for my fabulous house. I'm working on the barn one right now, and that's what this is for. It is licorice red from Classic Color Works. So that was another necessity. I also got some batting because I needed this for the quilt that I'm working on for my mother-in-law, which I just got the backing fabric for. Now I've got the batting, so I can start sandwiching that and getting it ready. I want to give it to her at Thanksgiving so that she made me a quilt and she's got it all ready for me, and she's going to give it to me when we go down there for Thanksgiving, and I would like to have hers done and ready for her as well. All right, here's my super exciting binding. And yes, you can probably hear the kids out there going nuts. They are literally running around the yard, screaming, going, "Ah, ah, ah." So yes, my super exciting binding, because when nothing else seems to match and you can't figure out what to use, go for the basics. So I reached for black, and that is the Art Gallery Pure Solids, and I think this was Caviar is the color black this was. Does it say? Should say on here somewhere. It is Caviar. Yep, there it is. So, and they do have a second color black too. I also bought both of these. I think these are from the Sweetbriar line. This kind of has like a little bit of a baby pink background. And then we've got the apples. And I thought these would look really cute together for pillowcases for my bed. So that is what I've got. This is kind of going to be the accent piece along the side, and this will be the main pillowcase. So I'm excited to put that together and get some really pretty fall pillowcases to switch out on my bed. I don't have very many that are specific to a season, and fall's my favorite season, so I had to start there. Most of them are just kind of whatever cotton sheet set I happened to pick up. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. I don't know. It's like my tongue is blah, 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 but nothing seems to be being said correctly. Okay, 2 additional things, which actually might work together. So this is a really cute chart that I saw in there, and I was not expecting it to be a giant chart, but I guess it is. Which, I don't know, I have kind of mixed feelings on the charts being super big like this, because on one hand, it's nice because you get to see everything very clearly. Everything's really large, And, you know, it just makes it very visible and nice to work with. But of course, the flip side, the other hand, is that you have to find a place to store this giant pattern now. So, you know, it has its positives and its drawbacks. But if you have a big binder that you keep yours in, then, you know, the big patterns probably aren't an issue for you. It says pumpkin patch, harvest, cider, and hay rides. And then right here on this little sign, it says pumpkins, 25 cents. Oh, if only pumpkins cost 25 cents. Halloween or fall, just in general, would be a lot cheaper for me. I love to go and get pumpkins. That is my thing. We had one year where I had like 20 something pumpkins all over the place decorating the house. And I'm talking about real pumpkins, not fake ones. They were real pumpkins. Now, part of that is because I will gradually go through and take the pumpkins that we're using as decoration and cook them up and make them into things. So, you know, they're not all just decoration. They're also useful. But I also just love pumpkins and fall in general. So now this is, what is this? It's fabric flare and Ada. Okay, 14 count Ada. It is snow on aqua dyed effect. That is really pretty. Let's see. This is what I was talking about. They could almost go together, except, I don't know. I mean, we do sometimes have snow. We used to, anyway, sometimes have snow when it was earlier in the year, like fall time, like what you would traditionally think of as fall time. I know that we've had snow like around Halloween and stuff. So it could technically work, but I don't know that we should really be decorating it as snow. Kind of takes away from the leaves and the pumpkins, right? Maybe. So maybe I'm wrong on that. Maybe I should stick to that kind of burlap kind of color. I think that's probably a better idea. No fears though. I will come up with plenty of things for this. I love this fabric flare. I do. It's definitely stiffer than like fiber on a whim or something like that. That is very soft. But I kind of like stitching better on it being just that little bit stiffer. And it still feels soft. It's just that it has some body to it. So I like it though. I've really come to enjoy that. All right, guys, that was a fairly small box. Well, it wasn't a small box, but it's fairly, you know, full of big items, I guess. So didn't have a lot in it. Thank you so much for joining me. I will link Fat Quarter Shop down below. I am an affiliate with them. I bought all of this with my own money, but if you use my affiliate link, it does help me out and I get a small little commission from that. Oh my gosh, I can't. Bleh. You guys are probably tired of me here saying I can't say anything, but truly, I'm just tongue-tied today. All right, guys. I think that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the new glasses. I will see you guys again next time. Bye.